Okay, so I made a previous video on male-female magnetic spin structures, and this video is kind of a continuation or something different, and it just looks at male-female relationships from the standpoint of magnetic structures or magnetic spin structures, and the fact that they're the basis for male and female complementarity, compatibility, and other things like that. So the first thing to note is that the male and the female, generally speaking, are magnetic mirror images. And what that means is that you have these two magnetic spins, as pointed out by Albert Roy Davis and Walter C. Rawls. You have south, which I'm assuming is a clockwise spin, and north, which is anti-clockwise. But the key thing is whether you call them north or south, it doesn't really matter. One is clockwise, one is anti-clockwise. Now, as I said, the male and the female magnetic spin structures are essentially mirror images. So if you look here, you have the right arm of the male and the left arm of the female are south to south, and then the left arm of the male and the right arm of the female are north to north, and so on. And you have this mirroring, with the legs and with the face, the head, all the way along. I'm not sure of the precise how the polarities play out. I don't really know, to be honest. I'm just kind of guessing and saying, well, maybe it's like this, maybe it's like that. But I am confident that these magnetic spins are real, that the magnetic current flows are real, and that this mirroring is a correct kind of interpretation of what's going on. So you have males and females. They complement each other's magnetic spins and magnetic current flows with this, north-south magnetic spin and north-south magnetic current flow mirroring. So it's argued, it could be argued that the real basis of compatibility in males and females is based on complementary magnetic structures. So I want to, look at these a little more closely. I'm not going to get too into detail, but what you have is you have north currents flowing, north spins mirroring north spins, north currents flowing to north currents, south spins mirroring south spins, and they're flowing together. And so what happens is when a male and female come together, they don't just actually mirror each other magnetically, they actually reinforce each other's magnetic spins and strengthen them in a literal sense. So they're actually giving life to each other in a true fundamental sense. So what you have here is these drawings may not be as clear, but what I have here is a male and a female. And as you look at these spins, my basic theory is that there are 6 primary magnetic spins in the human being: 2 in the head, 2 in the chest, and 2 in the pelvis. And they're spinning. 3 of the spins are clockwise, 3 of the spins are anti-clockwise. But as you look right here, I don't know if you can see the symbols, but the point is, what you need to understand is that all of these magnetic spins and magnetic current flows, north and south, are mirror images of each other, male and female. So the male's right hand is south, the female's left hand is south. And if when their hands are joined together, they're flowing north to north. And so what's happening is when we come together, male and female, we actually support each other's magnetic spins and augment them and strengthen them. And this is why, we are meant, for the most part, to be together, regardless of whatever the exceptions are. That's basically the rule. So it's, if this theory is correct, this is why we need each other. Because our very existence, our very life is based on magnetic spins and the magnetic complementarity of males and females. So just something to think about. And that's it. Thanks.